Okay.
Yeah, 3.12. Show grade doing CPR on the male. It doesn't appear to be alert or conscious. But CPR is in progress.
He said last he seen him here at 4 in the morning. I know he didn't come in the room.
Come in this way?
Or anything. I left to take my son to school this morning. He was laid on the couch. But I seen like nail all over the floor, like he had knocked over something, like he was trying to get somewhere to sit down. I don't know.
Those guys will sit down.
So, when I left, he was still awake. I checked on him and I put a blanket over him. I came back. I'm like, okay, he's still good. I left him there. He'll usually just get up and come in the room. So after that, I woke up around 11. I come in here. And I don't feel his pulse, his heart, or anything.
So when you saw him the first time, was he breathing? Do you see
He was breathing, but he was breathing hard.
He was breathing hard, but you didn't think nothing of it.
No, I didn't. He was just asleep.
Does he have any underlying condition or anything?
No, not that I know of. He's never been having to be on medication, hospital, or any of that.
Okay. So you said last time he went out, you said went to the club last night or something?
No, he didn't go anywhere.
Okay.
He didn't go nowhere. So he didn't go nowhere.
Okay. So what you say you came in, he was laying on the couch.
Yeah, when I came out the room, our room is right here. He was laying on the couch when I took my son to school this morning.
Okay, this one, okay.
He was good. I came back, he was still good. I put a blanket over him.
Do you talk to him by any chance or anything? Or
no, we didn't. We didn't talk. He was just asleep. So I left him there. I put a blanket over him, and I got up at 11 and I come in here. I feel his face cold. And that's how I knew if he was breathing, because his earring was moving, because his pulse.
Yeah, okay, it's pulse. Okay. All right. So, they're working on him. So you say he was foaming out the mouth?
Yeah, I turned his face over and I seen like.
Do you see anything? Maybe anything he might have taken or anything like that?
No.
Okay. All right. Thank you. What's your name, ma'am?
Amber.
Amber. All right. Just give us a second while they're working on it, okay? Grady's the best that will do whatever they can, all right? So anybody, what was he doing yesterday?
He wasn't doing anything.
Did he eat anything?
Yeah, he ate yesterday.
Okay. They're working on him, okay? Nah.
Andre's his brother. Dre said...
We got a couple more people coming. Just give you a heads up, okay?
Dre said... I'm going to tell you what Dre told me.
Okay, you said Dre?
Yeah, that's his brother. Dre said they had smoked the blunt. They came upstairs. Dre went upstairs to his room. Quan stayed in the kitchen. At some point or another, Dre came back downstairs. And he saw Quan on the floor in the kitchen. And he picked Quan up. And when he picked him up, he said Quan was breathing hard.
Okay.
He laid him on the sofa. He was snoring. I'm sorry if they were snoring. So he laid him on the sofa. He went back upstairs. And when he came, he checked him and stuff. You know, like he was, said that he was, breathing. And said that he laid him on the sofa. And Dre went to take the Sprinter to the shop for me. And I missed three calls from Amber, who was his baby mama. And she texted me. She was like, "Please call me." "Please call me. I'm finna call the ambulance." So when she said that, I was in Decatur. I immediately came here, and when I got here, they had him on the stretcher, and had that thing on his chest, with his arms up. So entertain him, man. He do drugs.
Is the blunt still in there that he smoked?
They probably smoked the blunt, bro.
Smoked the blunt.
But another one of his kids, mom. I talked to her since today, and she was on the phone with him up until like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. She said.
2 o'clock.
And she said that she said he ordered some food. She said he told her he took a Xanax pill. And while they were on the phone talking, he was drinking lean. And she was like, why is you drinking that lean? And you say you just took a pill. You follow what I'm saying? So I'm not going to deny, man. Like, and when I say heavy drugs, man, you know, as a parent, they only going to let you see so much.
Okay.
But it's like, I know, like, when I talk to him, I know when he high, and I know when he not. Me and him spoke on the phone several times yesterday. He wasn't high. You follow me? But I think our last conversation, it was daytime. May have been like 3 o'clock or something. He wasn't high, but she did. And I told her, I said, tell me the truth, don't lie to me. She did tell me he was high, man.
It was high.
She said,
all right, show me where's that? Cross it. Do that. And put those 2 things in there. Everything. You heard what you know?
Trip. Look, Dre, that's his brother with the tank top on.
Okay.
He can show you, okay?
All right, thank you.
Quick, Trip. You take it to the hospital, bro?
I gotta go get Zara.
Okay.
Of course, I want to say I'm sorry for your loss.
I'm finna leave now in a minute. When I get through with this, huh? She working.
Hold on, is somebody gonna stay here?
Yeah, somebody be here.
Okay, all right. What's your full name?
Andre.
Andre Lamar.
Munford. MUNFORD.
MUN.
Yes, MUNFORD.
Okay. What's your date of birth, Mr. Mumford? What's your phone number? Now, how do we get in the gate if other people are coming? Okay, I appreciate that. Yeah, can you?
Yeah, I can put the clip it in.
Appreciate it.
That's why I saw him that he was asleep right here though. But I don't know if he had knocked himself out of the whip. He was snoring.
You were snoring?
Yeah, he was just snoring. So I tried to wake him up and he moved. Like I said, he's been in deep sleep before, so I picked him up and I laid him on the couch. I had to lay him down like this.
Is this what?
When I got here, that was like, you know, they had called me and said his phone was still up. So when I got here, that was there. I don't know that. I'm sure it came from him because it wasn't there before.
So he says it was phone?
Yeah, phone and it's still there.
Okay. And what time did they call you? Who called you?
Quit the engineer, because I was out trying to get the AC fixed on the van.
So the engineer called you?
Yes, sir.
Who's the engineer?
Faraz. Firas. FIRAS. Quick.
QUICK?
Yes, sir.
What's his phone number?
Quick. Okay. I got his number. Trying to see what time he called me. He called me at 11:37 and told me to rush home.
11:37?
Yes, sir.
How long was he down for?
Who?
He said 11:37? Told you to rush home?
Yeah, man, but I guess they had called the EMS too already.
Okay.
So I don't know,
What's his phone number? I'm sorry. Okay. I told you to rush home?
Yeah.
All right. And he was here?
I guess by the time everybody came to check on him, I don't know if he was foaming, laying down, or if the ambulance moved him or not. I don't know.
Okay.
I just know one night.
Let me explain this to you. I'm not the drug police.
I know you do.
Where is, I know you took some prescription Xanax last night or whatever? Where's all that stuff? What do you keep?
That's why I don't know nothing about none of that.
Who lives here? You stay here?
With him, yeah.
You stay here?
But most of that stuff he keep on his person because we don't really like allow that. You know what I'm saying? Because this happened before, like it was a bad problem before, so he tried to keep it away from us type shit.
So you say you had a history of this? It was pretty bad. I know he's an entertainer.
Yeah, not bad, but everybody dibble and dab. So
I got you. Okay. All right. Is this the only? So it was over here.
Yeah, from the kitchen because he was eating that food.
Okay.
That's the food he was eating.
Okay. Is there anything different about the foods that he usually eats?
He always eats coffee and stuff like that. And when I saw him sleep, I'm like, you can see like food still like on his teeth. So I'm like, I know he ain't gonna see the food in his mouth. You know what I'm saying?
So he just went
to sleep. Yeah. But that ain't the first time he went to sleep on the kitchen floor either.
Really?
Right.
Okay.
That's why it wasn't like abnormal for me.
I got you. Okay. All right. So how can we? Are you about to leave? This young man, you taking him with you?
You gonna be here, right? I'm here.
Okay. What's your name? What's your name, sir? Chase. C-H-A-S-E?
Yeah, Chase. C-H-A-S-E.
What's your last name, Mr. Chase?
W-I-Z-H-T. If anybody getting it,
and what's the phone number?
Just click one time. Then give it time.
What's your phone number? What's your date of birth, Mr. Wright? Yeah, who are you? Uncle.
Bro. That's quick right there.
Okay. Yeah, Mr. How you say Faraz? Faraz, quick. What's your date of birth, Mr. Quick? Okay, can you just tell me, run through what happened real quick to me? You want to go over here and talk about it? Like you say, where were you at when you found
called? Because I told him you called me because he was spitting up. So from there.
Oh yeah, I was at that time. I was doing CPR.
No, before that. Let's back up about when was the last time you saw him alive?
Just early this morning, like 3-4 in the morning.
Okay, all right.
It was all up.
Yeah, let's talk over here. Come on. Did you were y'all doing anything? Look, once again, I said I'm not the drug police. I don't really care. Were y'all doing drugs or smoking anything?
No.
I know y'all. He said your dad said y'all smoked a blunt.
Yeah, maybe, but
any
at
pills
that time,
or anything like that?
Huh?
Any pills or anything?
Nah.
Okay. Did you see him do any pills?
I didn't see him.
Okay. So at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. So do you live here as well?
When I'm working, cause I'm one of his producers and engineers.
Okay. So where were you after 3 o'clock in the morning? You went to sleep?
Yeah. Well, I was up in the watching TV like till I passed out. I probably passed out like 5.
5. And what time did you notice him on the ground? You think?
I didn't notice him on the ground.
So who called? You called him. So who told you?
No, he didn't. He heard snoring and came downstairs because it was loud, and that's when he saw him right there.
Okay, Dre. And who called you at 11:37 and tell you to come home?
That was this morning.
That was this morning.
Oh, so you passed him snoring?
No.
Like, when I left this morning, he was still snoring. He was sleeping.
Where at?
And on the sofa.
On the sofa.
Yeah.
Oh.
I picked him up at like 3-4 this morning.
3 or 4 this morning he was over here, and then you put him on the couch.
I saw his food, and like I said, I saw the food in his mouth. I'm like, damn, I know he ain't fall asleep. You know what I'm saying? Sleep. Fall asleep eating. So I picked him up. I tried to wake him up, and he didn't get up, which he's done that before. So
let me get the timeline straight. 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, you pick him up, put him on the couch. Everybody go to sleep. Come back down.
I was like, really?
Everybody sleep.
He was asleep.
Yeah.
Everybody sleep except him.
So who found him on the couch?
Oh, his girl. His girl.
His girl. You know what time that was? That right before we got the call?
It had to be around the time she took.
Well, you got a call at 11:34 to come home.
Right.
Yeah,
So it was around that time.
Yeah, around that time.
And he was foaming and stuff.
Well, I'm gonna give him CPR and stuff
was
started coming out.
Okay, purge and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.